And this is actually a double jointed book. So it's Bear Stays Up, Bear Snores On. 2 in 1. So here is Bear Snores On. And just because you don't know it doesn't mean it's not good, so give it a chance. We used to read it all the time. Bear Snores On. By Karma Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls into the cave in the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too cold, too dark, so he'll light wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The twigs pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" A hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn, and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought my honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, settle down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, but the bear snores on. A vowel and a mowl tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the big bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Rashoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, wait and see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear glups, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Wait, why did that end so sadly?